Hey guys, it's DJ Slimer, and welcome to Spider-Man Unlimited. It's like a Spider-Man running game, and I'm gonna play this for you guys. Let's get this started. Ooh, a starter pack. I'm gonna start. Skip Black Cat. No, I've played this level a bunch of times. And still I have it like that. Nope, not even gonna talk to Black Cat. Because first of all, why would I want to? Even though she's a villain, she became a hero. But still, it's kind of weird. Oh yeah, that web slinging power. I noticed, that's what everybody likes about this game. You're able to web sling and it's so unique. Med pack! Okay, I missed a med pack, but I need 3. That's... what do I do? What do I do? Am I supposed to jump? Yeah, I'm supposed to jump. Slows down. I completed the mission. Now I can die and come back alive. Oh. Now I could just overkill! 1. And I'm still gonna win because, yeah. 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 Let me tell you what's happening. From different dimensions, people are being battled. Oh, yeah. Bombastic Bagman. Hey, that's kind of funny. Hey there, good buddy. Don't suppose you're the one goblin from another dimension who's a hero, are you? Your dimension is doom. I'll decorate my glider with your masked heads. What? Simple, I would have defeated, but let's dance, ugly. Oh yeah, say that to the goblin. Technically, Peter Parker's a hobo. Peter Parker's a hobo when he's bombastic Bagman. But still, he got his powers from a spider that, I don't know where did he get his... I jumped! You saw that completely. I jumped, right? Oh yeah, boss battle time. Bwahaha. Grey Goblin. Oh yeah. That's how you battle him. You use shield bombs, but you can also die from the shield bomb. Oh yeah, Falcon Punch. I like how it says kick me on the back of it though. It's kind of funny. And I'm gonna keep on running, keep on running. You're gonna keep on running, keep on running, keep on running. Slide. Keep on running, keep on running, keep on running, keep on beat up this flying enemy. Now gonna run, now they can't run over me. You're gonna jump over them. Now they're gonna lose. Guys, I'm planning to start a Terraria fighting well, not a Terraria fighting series. I'm planning to start a Terraria series. But I are mission successful, so even though I lost, still I'm a winner. Oh. Swing over and I'll maybe rate it after. Okay, I'm gonna recruit some people. Oh, I need more. Okay, I'm gonna... Okay, I need to fuse him. Fuse him, I mean. Fuse. Ooh, this guy has great... I'll level him up. I'm gonna use this Spider-Man and this Spider-Man. Time to level him up. Oh yeah, get stronger. Boom. Hopefully I didn't lose the manga. Yeah, I lost the manga verse. Ooh, British Spider-Man. I could tell because he has a British symbol. I need to switch to this Spider-Man. His Spidey power is really good. Okay, relax, Birdie. You don't know the stress stage. You can blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, time for me to do that again. Armored Spider-Man's just an upgraded version of Spider-Man. Oh, gonna break into Oscorp. Are you sure this is legal? Oh, poop. Oh, yeah. I need to swipe up or down to destroy. Ooh. Oh, also, this is my brother's friend, Jarrell. Jarrell, I'm recording a YouTube video for my channel.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, he just wanted to say hi.
Well, I'll play Nerf Wars after this.
Okay.
Is that Spider-Man?
Yes, it's Spider-Man. Oh, poop.
I
That must hurt. Yes, I am making a video. I died again. And I don't know why he's not falling. That's what I'm wondering.
That's acid.
Oh my gosh. Kick him. Move. Ah, I was beaten up by an enemy. Oh, come on.
And what is the enemy's name? Mr. Childwood?
Oh, I completed the level. Time for me to go to the next level.
What kind of Spider-Man is that?
Armored Spider-Man. There's also Bombastic Bagman when Spider-Man become a hobo. Oh yeah, gonna save the day in Oscorp. Now I'm running to save the day.
Ooh, the sniper's still here.
Ooh, dodged it. Yeah, my cousin. Wait, he's not my cousin. Yeah, he's my brother's friend.
Yeah, not
And he just wanted to say hi. You're gonna be on YouTube, you know that, right?
Yes, I do know. Anyway, what is your YouTuber name?
Said the DJ Slimer. Oh yeah.
Let's see. Did you make any more
Oh my
videos?
gosh,
Did
swing.
you even make any more videos? Did you make any more videos?
Boom! Swing storm.
What? Wait, what? CD?
What?
How do you spell? No one to watch your videos?
Ask my brother. He knows a lot.
Oh, okay.
He's been in my YouTube videos. Whoopsie. Hopefully it's mission successful. Please don't be mission failed. Yes, it was successful. I'm gonna just close the door. Okay, if the Sinister Six destroyed a dimension before then, they may know my identity. I need to figure out if they have any data on the people I care about. Ooh. Ooh. Things just got deep. Collect data chips. Are you sure I can't put some nachos on them or something? Just make it a nacho joke. Punch. Oh, come on, I missed one. Oh, you can beat up the gold ones. Yeah. Ooh, that must hurt. Give me that chip. Oh, yeah. Give me that chip. Now I need a 4th chip. A 4th chip. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, mission successful. You can jump on enemies' heads. See? Ah. Oh. Come on. But I won though. Yay. He needs to take the Senator 6 down. Maybe after this boss battle, it will be the last boss battle ever. Maybe it's gonna be the last boss battle I'm gonna do for this video, actually. Well, that was terrible. 2, 1, go! Jump. Jump. Slide. Slide. I need to take out a bunch of enemies. Jump. Kicked him in the face, then I ran into something, and it was an overkill. Worst song ever. But at least I won. Looks like the Crimson Goblin, that's what I'm gonna call him, is gonna be the boss battle I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, his name is called Menace, the Menace Goblin. This is probably gonna be the last episode I do for this video. I meant last level for this video, and by finishing off with an epic boss battle. Oh yeah. Whoa, girl. Yeah. Oh yeah, epic animation again. Then come, jump off. Oh yeah. I have to defeat Menace. Slide. I actually hope this time I'm able to swing in his face and punch. I played this before in an Apple store, you know, like a demo. But this was an amazing game. Oh, I was supposed to swing? Oh, I forgot. Okay. Time to battle him. Wahaha. It's Menace. Maybe you're gonna have a menacing time. Just made a pun. Not really, it's not really a pun, but it's a joke. Man, I think this is way too easy. Pong. Do a finishing hit. Kick. Bam, bam. Now time to just shoot another bomb randomly. I won. Oh yeah, I won. I guess my favorite character in this game is okay, guys, so I guess that was it to end the video. So, bye!